Now I'm going to continue calibrating these instruments. They've been in through a range of different salt solutions. Here we have an array of sodium chloride solutions from 0.1 molal through 0.2, 3, 4, 0.5, and here's a 1.0 molal solution. And the recipe for that is available in the manual as well. So now I'll show you some of the things to consider as you calibrate the instruments. So don't handle this as much as possible because you set up temperature gradients, but I'm popping the instrument apart and then just lay it down. You can see a used salt solution filter paper disc in there. Remove that, and then all that's required is a vigorous wipe with a Kim wipe here, a tissue. You blot it like that, and then just press it in good and hard and vigorously wipe it. Now you'll notice that in doing that, I have removed some of the silicone stopcock grease that I had originally applied there. So just reapply a little bit, confirm that you have a full vapor seal by swirling it around, and yes, the film is now still complete around both surfaces, so I've got a vapor tight seal there. And keep the ends of the forceps clean and dry at all times. And use some standard 6mm filter paper punches. And again, keep the top on the salt solution. And reasonably quickly, but not with a lot of... Then you get the instrument all back together. Now I'm not holding it as much as possible. Place it back in the box and simply proceed along. Well, that's the last of this series of psychrometers that we're calibrating. They're all comfortably set up in there in a temperature controlled situation, and we'll leave them for between 30 and 40 minutes, up to an hour, depending on how disrupted the energy balance has been of the instruments. So if you handle them a lot, for example, set up some large temperature gradients, then it'll take longer for that to dissipate. And you can follow the course of equilibration by monitoring from time to time, making measurements and monitoring, and you can see equilibration. It happens, 90% of it happens very quickly. It's the last little bit that takes a little bit longer. So be patient. The easiest thing to do is to set up all your solutions, go and have a coffee and come back, and it'll be ready to measure.